So one of the things that you can actually do in Microsoft Planner is export out the plan that you have as an Excel sheet as well. So to do that, you need to go around over here and you can see that there is my title. If I were to go ahead and click on it, then you'll be able to see that export plan to Excel is an option. If you were to go around and actually click this, then what happens is that it'll go ahead and then we'll create an Excel version and we'll export it out right here, just like this. So let me just go ahead and open up this downloaded file right here. And then what happens is that it gets opened up, as you can see, and you see all of your plan. You even see the task ID right here, and then you see the task name, you can see the bucket and everything else right here. So now in Excel, you can go ahead and then let's say, for example, manage the table out as you want. So let's just go around over here and let's say, for example, I'm going to turn this into a table, add in a design to it. You can go ahead and then manage it out as you wish right here. So this is how you can actually go ahead and work around by exporting the content in Excel as well. And if you want to learn more about Excel and how to work with Excel, then you can simply go ahead and view my tutorial series on Excel as well. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.